In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Messages application, and there first you have to select the messages that you want to delete. To be able to do that, all you have to do is to hit there at three dots icon and select and hit on select messages. Now there you can select some specific messages, or you can hold down your finger, move it down and keep holding it down until it moves down, and you can hold down as much as you want to select all messages until the very end. And also now you can look at that list and deselect some specific messages if you want, and if you change your mind and don't want to delete messages anymore, you can hit on done. But if you want to delete that messages, let's say I select that three messages, all you have to do is to hit there at delete and then hit on delete again. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.